Good morning. The sun is rising and it's the perfect time to wake up your body and mind. It's time to start the day strong. Whether you're stretching in the park, preparing for a run, or simply enjoying the fresh morning air, these moments are crucial. Did you know a few minutes of exercise can make a big difference? Just a short session of jumping jacks, yoga, or any physical activity can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. It's true. Getting your muscles moving in the morning wakes up your whole body. Imagine stretching with the sunrise or doing push-ups as the world awakens around you. Morning muscle activation is like a warm hug for your body and mind. It brings a smile to your face and can even be a fun activity to share with friends or loved ones. It helps you feel more energized and ready to take on the day. The energy you gain from these activities can carry you through any challenges you might face. Forget that groggy feeling and say hello to a more powerful you. Embrace the morning, activate your muscles, and start your day with a burst of energy and positivity. Muscle activation is like turning on the lights in your body. Imagine your muscles are like light bulbs, all connected to a switch. When you do activation exercises, you're flipping that switch on. These exercises are not about lifting heavy weights. They're about gently waking up your muscles and getting your blood flowing. Think of it as saying good morning to your body and getting it ready for the day ahead. When you activate your muscles, your body starts to work better. Blood flow increases, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain. This helps you feel more alert and focused. A few minutes of muscle activation can make a big difference in how you move throughout the day. You'll feel more flexible, have better posture, and be less likely to get injured. Section 4. A clear mind and a strong body. Did you know that exercise benefits your mind too? It's true. Engaging in physical activities like jogging, stretching, or yoga not only strengthens your muscles but also has a profound impact on your mental well-being. When you move your body, you also boost your mood and reduce stress. The endorphins released during exercise act as natural mood lifters, helping you feel happier and more relaxed. Think of it as a workout for your mind and body at the same time. Whether you're doing synchronized exercises with a friend or enjoying a solo workout, the benefits are immense. Morning muscle activation can help you feel calmer, more focused, and ready to handle whatever the day throws your way. Starting your day with a light workout or meditation sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. It's a natural way to start your day with a positive mindset. So next time you wake up, consider stepping outside for a run, some yoga, or even a simple stretch. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Section 5. Your morning routine. Ready to get started? Mornings are a fresh start, a new beginning, and the perfect time to set the tone for the rest of your day. By incorporating a simple yet effective morning routine, you can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. Here's a simple routine you can do every morning. First, shoulder rolls. This exercise helps to release tension in your shoulders and neck, which is especially beneficial if you spend a lot of time sitting or working at a desk. Stand tall and roll your shoulders back and down in a circular motion. Repeat 10 times. Feel the stretch and the release of any tightness. Next, knee hugs. This exercise is great for warming up your lower body and improving your balance. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. This stance provides a stable base and ensures that you are balanced. Bring one knee up towards your chest and hug it with both hands. This movement stretches your glutes and lower back, helping to alleviate any stiffness. Hold for a few seconds, then lower your leg and repeat on the other side. This alternating motion ensures both sides of your body are equally engaged. Do 5 repetitions on each side. Lastly, gentle twists. This exercise helps to improve your spinal mobility and can aid in digestion. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your arms extended to the sides. This position opens up your chest and prepares your body for the twisting motion. Gently twist your upper body to the right, then to the left. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and smooth to avoid any strain. Repeat 10 times on each side. This will help to wake up your core muscles and get your blood flowing. Start with this simple routine and see how you feel. Remember, consistency is key. By making these exercises a part of your daily routine, you can start your day feeling more energized and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Make morning muscle activation a part of your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, happier you. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your flexibility, strength, and overall mood. So take a few minutes each morning to invest in yourself and set a positive tone for the day ahead.